Hello and welcome, this is Cheryl. Thank you so much for joining me today. This video, I have something a little bit different. I was asked by the people at EasyCraftArt if I'd be interested in doing an unboxing video. So let's go take a look at what they sent. All right, so I did slice open the top of the package just to ensure that the package was from them because the return label said something that I wasn't expecting. So let's see what we have. So first we have a couple metallic markers here that are to be used in something else here. Now, the lovely people at EasyCraftArt.com, they let me choose what I was interested in, so I was so appreciative that I could choose things that interested me. Oh, isn't that really pretty? Okay, that is a wax melt seal kit, or sorry, this is a wax melt seal kit. This goes with this. So let's open this up here. Love that box, it's very pretty. So we've got some different wax melts in here, a couple different heads. Look at how pretty this handle is. Very ornate. And then this one here, it says thank you, and these just unscrew, so you can put on a different head for it, which is so handy. Now, I've never used these wax seal kits before, or wax melts, so I'm very excited to try this out. There's a little cherub in here, and I love that they have different kits that have a bunch of different stuff that all coordinate together. So if you're new to wax melts, you can get a kit that appeals to you. There's some different colors, different colored melts, and that sort of thing. And you can choose which one you have the most interest in. And this one also says thank you. No, I'm not sure exactly what it says. The bottom word is you, but I don't think the top word is. Anyways, we will play around with those and check it out. It's got a little tea light as well as the holder to hold it on there to melt those little wax melts, and then a pen. So these metallic pens can be used to color the wax after you've poured them. And then this is another head that you can use. It's beautiful. It's got a whale. So let's put the lid on that guy there. And then some extra wax melts. Actually, let's leave this like this so we can see everything. So some extra wax melts. I chose some that were different colors here, and like I said before, they allowed me to choose the things that I was interested in, which I absolutely loved. Oh, beautiful butterfly wax seal stamp. There we go. And then they had a couple stamp sets that I thought would be really, really cool with some different ink blended backgrounds. So I can't wait to play with this. So go check out their website. They've got a bunch of different stuff. This is only a drop in the bucket of what they have. Like I said, they have a ton of different wax seal heads, as well as different colors, some different stamps. They've got washi tape. They've got all sorts of different things there. So go check them out.